A tool like Firstup and our branded instance of Firstup LVHN Insider gives people the information they want, where they want it, and when they want it. So we give them a piece of content on our intranet through a micro app. We give them content through an email. We give them content on our web experience or on the mobile app. And we send a weekly newsletter email that goes to all colleagues with a wrap-up of the most important things they need to know from the week.
Leading a change is very hard, so being able to persuade key leaders in other important stakeholders that this is the way we should be going. For me, the data's been super helpful. Showing the data analytics, like, okay, people are paying attention to this. They're opening up these job aids. They're watching these videos that we're putting out about the new safety precautions.
Around the world, attrition rates are high. We want to maintain the staff that we've got. We want to make sure they're aware of what Swissport can offer. That's really what the information platform of Firstup allows us to do. Integrations are so important. They've got a number of modern API-based interfaces to a lot of the popular software vendors, which allows me to move quicker and also spend less. And it gives me something that can put smiles on employee faces, which quite frankly as a CIO is pretty important.